Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to cover some life science vocabulary. And in this video, I will cover adrenaline, villi, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, circulatory system. Up first, adrenaline, a hormone secreted by the adrenal glands, especially in conditions of stress, increasing rates of blood circulation, breathing, muscle exertion. And here's an example of some adrenaline. Villi, small finger-like projections found in the small intestines. And here's a picture of some villi. Central nervous system, the part of the nervous system consisting of the brain and the spinal cord. And here's the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord. Next, peripheral nervous system, the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. And finally, circulatory system, an organ system that transports blood and nutrients to and from the cells in the body to provide nourishment and help in fighting disease. So there we go, some life science vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and Moo Moo Math uploads a new math and science video. Please subscribe and share.